to the rest of the science class video session. In today's session, we are going to learn about types of wind. In this heading, we are going to learn about breeze, storm, and gale. Let us go into the session.
In this session, we are going to learn about moving air or wind. Moving air. Let us do. Take some sand in your hand and release the sand. It falls in the direction of the wind. So, what is wind? Moving air is called wind. It moves across the surface of the earth. Based on the speed of air, wind can be classified as breeze, storm, or gale. Gases move from high pressure area to low pressure areas. And the bigger the difference between the pressure, the faster the air will move from high to the low pressure. That rush of air is the wind we experience. So, wind is a part of weather we experience all the time. But why does it actually happen? The air will be still one day, and the next powerful gust of wind can knock down the trees. What is going on here? The main cause of wind is a little surprising. It's actually temperature. More specifically, differences in temperature between different area causes wind will blow from one area to the other. So, gases move from high pressure area to the low pressure areas. And the bigger the difference between the pressures, the faster the air will move from the high to the low pressure. That rush of air is the wind we experience. Do you know, children, the speed of wind is measured using the instrument called anemometer. So, anemometer as an instrument is used to measure the speed of wind. Children, already we know that based on the speed of air, wind can be classified as breeze, storm, and gale. So, what is a breeze? A gentle wind is called a breeze. There are two types, they are sea breeze and land breeze. They are called the two types of breeze. Now let us learn more about sea breeze. The breeze that blows from the sea towards the land during daytime is known as sea breeze. As the warm air from the land rises up and the cold air from the sea occupies the space over the land, this causes a sea breeze. So, what is a sea breeze? A sea breeze or onshore breeze is any wind that blows from a large body of water towards or onto a landmass. It develops due to the difference in air pressure created by the different heat capacities of water and dry land. What is a land breeze? The breeze that blows from the land towards the sea during night time is known as land breeze. The warm air from the sea rises up, and so the cold air from the land moves towards the sea. This causes a land breeze. Land breeze and sea breeze both occur near coastal areas. They both have an impact on the humidity level, atmospheric temperature, and perception rates. The land breeze is usually slower than the sea breeze and are generally weak. Due to the breeze, the places near the sea or coastal areas do not have a lot of variation in temperature, whereas the inland places have a major temperature change. What is a storm? Strong wind is called storm. Sometimes storm can uproot trees and can destroy the crops. What do we classify as a gale? A very strong wind is called gale. Gale is stronger than storm. It damages trees and buildings a lot. Let us connect. Breeze, defined as a gentle wind. The second one is a storm. It is a strong wind. The last one is a gale. We call it as a very strong wind. Try to answer. Gentle air is called breeze. We get electricity from wind using windmill. The air that flows from the land towards the sea is called land breeze. Sea breeze is the air moving from the sea towards the land. What will you do during disasters? Disaster, which refer an event that causes a lot of harm or damage. The first one, dash watch TV when it's rain heavily. You have to choose, I will not watch TV when it rains heavily. The second one, dash follow the warnings. I will follow the warnings. The third one, dash stand under a tree when heavy wind blows. I will not stand under a tree when heavy wind blows.
I hope we got clear information about types of wind. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.